Which digital marketing course is best is the question that pops in anyone's mind who is looking forward to starting his journey with digital marketing. Actually, there is no course that is best. Every organization claims they offer the best digital marketing course in their locality. When you get the confidence that your requirements will be fulfilled at the end of course completion, that is the best digital marketing course. In other words, any organization or individual who wins your trust and is willing to work with you to accomplish your purpose of learning digital marketing, that is the best course you can opt for. Whenever I receive an inquiry, the first question I raise is, why do you need to learn digital marketing? Based on their response, I will share the training model and that I offer. People have different goals and reasons why they want to learn digital marketing. I have quoted a few of them here: students, part-time money-making, career growth; working professionals, for career switch; housewife, work-from-home opportunities; business professionals, to perform digital marketing by themselves and reduce the dependency on a digital marketing agency; freelancers, to become a solopreneur, get time freedom and financial freedom. When you have people from different backgrounds looking forward to learning digital marketing, it is possible to offer the same service to everyone. Each and every goal needs to be addressed with special attention. If you are a person who prefers to get a certificate after course completion, it is a great choice to enroll in an institute. You will pay the fee and they will give you a certificate. However, if you are a person who wants to implement, exhibit practically and get more out of it, it is a great decision to hire a trainer. In maximum institutions, you will get a group session. I strongly believe group sessions will not work out. This is because each and every person comes to the group training programs with different goals. It is impossible to offer training that is tailored for each goal. This can help you to connect with the right person who can mentor you and offer training in digital marketing consulting services. Whether you are a beginner or knowledgeable person in the digital marketing arena, you can learn digital marketing by joining a training institute or using self-learning practices. There are hundreds of free digital marketing training materials available in the internet. You can do your own research and explore more information and validate it later. I will make sure that you can learn digital marketing without a huge financial investment. If you are a person who needs a mentor, who agrees to support you in the process of learning, it is a great idea to hire him. But he must be knowledgeable in the industry. Hope this helps. If you have any opinion to express, please feel free to express as a comment using the box below. I am indeed delighted to share the information about which digital marketing course is best. Thank you so much for your time and feel free to explore more content in this blog. If you find the content useful, it would be great if you could share it on social media platforms right now.